Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate risk assessment tools with Progressive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Progressive website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the automation section on the dashboard. Click on the Risk Assessment Tools option. In this section, you'll find various risk assessment templates. Select the template that best fits your needs. Click on Edit to customize the selected template. Add any specific criteria or parameters for your risk assessment. Ensure the automation settings are enabled. Choose how you want notifications to be sent when assessments are triggered. Set the frequency for running the risk assessments. You may configure user roles for who can access the tool. Once everything is set up, click on Save Changes to apply your settings. To test the automation, initiate a manual run of the assessment. Monitor the results closely to ensure the automation works as intended. Adjust any settings as necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied with the setup, your risk assessment tools are now automated. This will streamline your risk management process significantly. You're now ready to use Progressive's automated risk assessment tools effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.